Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome to today's short little tutorial where today I'm going to be bringing you guys my Christmas gift to all of my viewers. So a thumbnail downloader has been pretty useful for me in the past because I like to download what other people do for their thumbnails, people that are way more talented than I am, drag it into Photoshop and see if I could recreate what they're doing and figure out the tools that they're using. It's a great learning tool, and also it helps me get some ideas from what other creators are doing in the space that are working, and then emulating those same ideas but putting my own spin on it and making it fit my brand and my video. So now with the power of the YouTube API, I've finally made our YouTube thumbnail downloader. It's a work in progress, but it's to the point where I believe that you guys could use it and you guys could have fun with it. So for example, it's very simple. You just go to a link. So in this case, it's one of my videos. I'm going to copy the link to this guy, head back over, paste that, and then hit the search. As you can see, it brings up my thumbnail. Then I can download the thumbnail. The great thing about this website is that it is automatically set to download the highest possible resolution thumbnail that the creator uploaded. So if you're trying to download like a Mr. Beast thumbnail and you're wanting to use his thumbnail in your article or something, you can do that by going to this website, copying the link to his video, pasting it in this, and getting the highest possible thumbnail quality that you can. Now, it doesn't matter what the creator uploaded. If they only uploaded like an 800 pixel thumbnail, then it's only going to be able to download something that big. Sometimes you'll have like black bars on the bottom and the top. It's just based on what the creator actually uploaded when they made their thumbnail. From here, to actually get the thumbnail, you'll just right click and then save image as, and then you can save it into your Finder or your File Explorer and use it for whatever you like. Put it into Premiere Pro, put it into Photoshop, or put it into your WordPress website or an article that you're writing. I envision so many things like having different tools up at the top. Like you have like a slider bar here, and then you click on the different tools, or a drop down and it gives you a bunch of stuff. There's a lot of things in 2024 that I'm hoping to do with this website, but I wanted to bring it to you and just show you like this is the first tool. This is what we're going to be working on. If you guys see any bugs or have any problems with the website, just let me know in the comments or head over to the Discord and let me know. It's super simple. It's like not a big deal, but Merry Christmas. I just thought, it's a work in progress, but I think it's about ready for everyone to use. This video is turning into a lot longer than I thought it would be, but I'm working on error messages and things that will pop up if you like put in a short link, like for a YouTube short, or if you put a link that is invalid. I'm working on creating like error messages and stuff for that. Right now, if you put in a link that doesn't work, nothing will happen. Either way, thank you guys so much for a huge year of YouTube growth. We hit 2,000 subscribers literally the day I'm recording this video. We just had a video hit 100,000 views. We entered into the YouTube partnership program. It's been a big year for YouTube, and I'm super excited to see what 2024 brings us. I have a ton of different ideas and also a ton of different tools that we will be able to use together in creating content down the line. I hope you guys have a great Christmas and New Year and Kwanzaa and whatever else you guys are celebrating, and I'll see you in the next video.